What's up, everyone, and welcome back to All About AI Tech. Today, we're strapping in for a wild ride as we explore the future of AI and Tesla's groundbreaking humanoid robot, Optimus. Elon Musk recently dropped a bombshell, predicting that Optimus could skyrocket Tesla's market cap to a staggering $25 trillion. Now, that's some serious cash, and it signals just how much of a game-changer these robots are poised to be. Imagine a world where humanoid robots work alongside humans in factories, warehouses, and even our homes, taking care of tedious, repetitive tasks, or even dangerous ones. That's the future Musk is envisioning, and from what we've seen so far, it's not as far-fetched as it might sound. Let's dive into why Musk is so bullish on Optimus and how these AI-powered robots are about to shake things up. Buckle up, because things are about to get interesting. Elon Musk isn't known for mincing words, especially when it comes to his vision for the future. At Tesla's AI Day, Musk didn't hold back, boldly proclaiming that Optimus has the potential to be bigger than Tesla's electric vehicle business. That's a huge statement, considering Tesla is already a titan in the EV space. So, why is Musk betting so big on robots? Well, it all boils down to the massive potential of AI and automation. Musk envisions a future where Optimus robots are mass-produced, making them more affordable and accessible than ever before. He's even hinted at a price tag of around $20,000, which is less than the average price of a new car in the US. If Tesla can achieve mass production at that price point, it could revolutionize entire industries. Let's explore some of the ways Optimus could disrupt the status quo. First up, let's talk logistics. Imagine Optimus robots zipping around massive warehouses, effortlessly lifting and moving heavy boxes, and fulfilling orders with incredible speed and accuracy. This isn't just a futuristic fantasy. Companies like Amazon are already using robots in their warehouses to boost efficiency and reduce costs. But Optimus takes things to a whole new level with its advanced AI capabilities and human-like dexterity. These robots could work tirelessly around the clock, eliminating the need for breaks and reducing the risk of workplace injuries. Plus, with their ability to learn and adapt, they could constantly improve their performance over time, becoming even more valuable assets to businesses. But Optimus isn't just about brute strength, it's also designed for precision. Manufacturing is another industry ripe for disruption by humanoid robots. With their advanced sensors and nimble fingers, Optimus robots could handle delicate tasks with human-like precision. They could assemble intricate electronic components, work on production lines, and perform quality control checks, all while maintaining consistent quality and speed. This could be a game-changer for industries that rely on skilled labor, potentially leading to increased productivity, reduced costs, and even the reshoring of manufacturing jobs back to developed countries. Now, let's step out of the factory and into your home. One of the most promising applications of Optimus robots is in the realm of elder care. As our population ages, the demand for caregivers is skyrocketing. Optimus could provide much-needed assistance to seniors, helping them with everyday tasks like cooking, cleaning, and even personal care. Imagine a friendly, helpful robot that could remind you to take your medication, help you get dressed, and even keep you company. It's a future where technology empowers seniors to live more independently and with greater dignity. But the potential applications of Optimus extend far beyond the practical. What about education? Imagine Optimus robots as engaging teaching assistants, personalizing lessons for individual students, answering questions, and fostering a love of learning. Or what about companionship? As AI technology evolves, these robots could become more than just machines. They could become companions, offering social interaction, entertainment, and even emotional support. While we're still in the early days of humanoid robots, Tesla's Optimus has the potential to be a game-changer. If Musk's predictions hold true, these AI-powered machines could reshape our world in ways we can only begin to imagine. Now, Tesla isn't the only player in the humanoid robot game. Companies like Boston Dynamics and Honda have been developing advanced robots for years. Boston Dynamics' Atlas robot, for example, is known for its incredible agility and athleticism. But Tesla has a few key advantages. Its expertise in AI, battery technology, and manufacturing gives it a head start in the race to bring affordable, mass-produced humanoid robots to market. And with Musk's ambitious vision and relentless drive, Tesla is a force to be reckoned with. This is just the beginning of a new era of robotics, and the competition is only going to heat up. But one thing is for sure, humanoid robots are here to stay, and they're about to change the world as we know it. Hold on, folks, because it's not all serious talk about the future and market caps. Even the most advanced robots have their clumsy moments. We've all seen those hilarious videos of robots taking a tumble, missing their mark, or just generally malfunctioning. But here's the thing. Those bloopers are actually a good sign. They show us that developing humanoid robots is incredibly complex and that there's still a lot to learn. It's all part of the journey, and those funny fails are valuable learning experiences for engineers and programmers. So, the next time you see a robot take a spill, don't just laugh it off. Appreciate the incredible complexity of the technology and the fact that we're living in a time when humanoid robots are becoming a reality. Now, let's get back to business. The impact of humanoid robots like Optimus will be felt worldwide. Countries leading in robotics development, such as Japan, South Korea, and Germany, are poised to see significant economic benefits. But the rise of automation also raises important questions about the future of work. Will robots replace human jobs? It's a valid concern, and it's a conversation we need to be having now. While it's true that robots will likely automate certain tasks, they're also creating new opportunities in fields like robotics engineering, software development, and data science. The key is to adapt and evolve alongside technology, ensuring that workers have the skills and training needed to thrive in a future where humans and robots work side by side. But the development of humanoid robots isn't just about economics and job markets. It's crucial to address the ethical considerations as well. We need to ensure that these robots are developed responsibly, with safety and transparency as top priorities. That means establishing clear guidelines for their use, addressing potential biases in their AI algorithms, and having open discussions about the role of robots in society. The future of AI and robotics is in our hands, and it's our responsibility to shape it in a way that benefits humanity as a whole. It's not about fearing the future. It's about embracing the possibilities while proceeding with caution and foresight. All right, everyone, that was a lot to process, but we've only just scratched the surface of this exciting and rapidly evolving field. I'm eager to hear your thoughts on Tesla's Optimus robot, the future of AI, and the broader implications for society. Drop your comments below, share your predictions, and let's keep this conversation going. Building a strong and engaged community is incredibly important to me. I'm always striving to improve the quality of these videos and make sure I'm delivering the content you want to see. So, if you have any suggestions, feedback, or even just want to say hi, don't hesitate to reach out. Your support means the world to me. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.